Hey guys, Alex with Team Allied Distribution, and we're here today at the Houston, Texas facility, the flagship location for our company. Let's go check it out. So in here is our call center, guys. This is where the action happens. We've got experienced techs. They're here Monday through Friday over the phone, and you've also got an online portal. Team Allied Distribution is a 100% employee-owned company. We're proud to be employee-owned, over 220 owners. The company's been around since 1976. That's 49 years. That means next year is our big 5-0. We're obviously doing something right. So now let's go check out the warehouse. Let's see what's going on. So welcome to the warehouse, over 30,000 square feet of warehouse capacity. Some of the most popular brands that you know and love and recognize are here available at Team Allied's flagship location in Houston, Texas. So more than just a distributor, as you may already know, Team Allied Distribution has its own umbrella of house brands. And the beauty of this is that Street Series, whether you're looking for a chambered muffler, a straight through muffler, or just a general OE style replacement unit, we've got you covered on every single flavor that you might think of. So here we've got Aero Exhaust, our Halo Performance Exhaust brand, 304 grade stainless, lifetime warranty, high quality. This stuff's jewelry, guys. Check it out. Available in multiple sizes, configurations. As we move along, we've got Street Max, our Street Max Shorty, a very popular flavor for a lot of customers that are looking for a simple, easy solution. This unit here, you could utilize as a muffler or you can utilize it as a resonator, depending on what sound level the customer's looking for. But as you can see here, we've got a center in, center out, 409 grade stainless, straight through design. Moving along, we've got our Street Flow line of products. This is a performance chambered muffler. In this particular case, we've got a Street Flow stainless, black powder coat, 5-year warranty, North American made. We've got our Street Flow aluminized unit, silver powder coat finish, 3-year warranty, unpainted ports, 1-chamber, 2-chamber, cylindrical units, 3-chamber styles available as well. And again, proudly made in North America. More Street Series products under the Street Armor brand. This is where you get all your accessories. Think of X pipes, Y pipes, V-band clamps, lap joint clamps, flex tubes, any accessory that's going to complement the installation of a full exhaust system. This is the brand you want to look at, Street Armor. So as we move along, we're going into our heavy duty truck products. This is premium duty, another North American made product. This is one of our cylindrical big body units. And you can immediately tell that this is a high quality piece, fully MIG welded, 16 gauge aluminized steel. Clearly not something you're gonna put on a Honda Civic, right? So guys, when we say we stay busy, we really mean it. Here we've got a nice staged outbound shipment going to another Team Allied location. 26 warehouses around the country. We gotta keep them fed, and that ensures that our customers get what they need when they need it. We've got Street Packs, the good old glass pack with the 1/2-inch louvered cores, perforated design, old school design, but it still works. Here we've got Eco Plus, a North American brand, OE style solution. We're quite proud of this line. Here we've got a T-style muffler with the inlet coming in through the body of the muffler. We stock pallets of these things, highly popular. Not everybody's into the performance aspect, so if you're looking for an OE style solution, Eco Plus is the right brand to go with. We've got RCAT, our own house brand catalytic converter, an EPA program, proudly made in the USA, available in 4 different series. Whether you need a 600 cell substrate or a 400 cell substrate, we've got you covered on both sides. AP is another one of those great brands you can find here at Team Allied. They're direct fit catalytic converters. Whether you're looking for an EPA unit or a carb unit, these guys got it all. Highly regarded in the business, one of the best. For customers that are looking for a simple, quick, fast solution, whether it's a direct fit muffler, a direct fit tailpipe, direct fit OE style catalytic converter, AP is one of those brands that definitely delivers when it comes to the direct fit solutions. It's easy, it's fast, it works, it gets the job done. Now we're getting into some more of the fun stuff. We've got MagnaFlow performance exhaust systems, direct bolt-on kits, stainless steel, mandrel bent, lifetime warranty. When it comes to performance exhaust, MagnaFlow is one of those brands that pioneered the direct fit cat back solution. And with MagnaFlow, it doesn't stop there. Universal converters is their specialty as well. And here we've got some MagnaFlow performance mufflers. Satin stainless, MagnaFlow logo on both sides, great quality. And when it comes to performance exhaust, you can't leave Flowmaster out of the picture. They've been around since 1983. Clearly one of my personal favorite brands. They pioneered the chambered sound. It's more than just the 40 series. It's the 1 chamber, the 2 chamber, the 3 chamber. We've got all the flavors here at Team Allied Distribution, along with their direct bolt-on kits. And here we've got Flow Effects, more popular products from our friends at Flowmaster. Street Style is our premium exhaust tip line, whether you need carbon fiber, polished stainless, black chrome, black powder coat. They come individually packaged and boxed the way it should be to ensure that you're getting a good quality piece for every job. Carbon fiber tips, you guys gotta check these out. These are new. I love the quality, I love the packaging. We got the foam insert, protective wrap, just the subtle touch for the right application. We've got popular truck accessory brands like Firestone, Airlift, because some of our customers, they don't just do exhaust, they also do truck accessories. And of course, you can find those solutions here at Team Allied Distribution. As we continue to move along, we've run into Caterham, one of the great Canadian brands that specializes in direct replacement catalytic converters. They're proud of their stuff and it clearly shows. We stock every flavor you can think of. As you can see here, this entire section is just dedicated to Caterham, and that's because it's a great quality brand. So for every exhaust job, you're always gonna need the right hardware and the right componentry. Our friends from Nixon Exhaust Solutions, they've got all the right stuff. Here we've got a U-bolt clamp, but this is the everyday stuff that you can find at Team Allied. And of course, you can't forget about Wicked Flow, the Kamikaze muffler is one of those unique sounds that you could find here at Team Allied Distribution. Again, every flavor for every enthusiast. Another popular brand, Black Widow, I'm a big fan of their names. These guys are pretty creative when it comes to their marketing. Top of the line brands such as Borla, Corsa, Carvin, available here at Team Allied. They're all 304 grade stainless steel, made in America. They make quality stuff. You gotta have it, you gotta stock it for those customers that need something for that high-end build. And when it comes to tubing, guys, we have bundles for days. We're definitely not messing around. We wouldn't be an undercar exhaust warehouse distributor if we didn't have all the tubing you see behind me available, whether you need stainless or aluminized, whether you need 1.5 inches, all the way up to 6 inch and everything in between. Team Allied Distribution's got every stick you can possibly think of. So there you have it, guys. That's the behind the scenes footage here at Team Allied Distribution, one of our flagship locations here in Houston, Texas. Thanks for watching. Today was a fun day. We covered a lot of fun products. Again, check us out at team-allied.com.